All right, so I'm here trying to fix this Maytag dishwasher. And so as you can see, I have the top part unscrewed. It was very simple to take off. There was just several screws here. If you could see, I took off 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the front cover, the front cover slid off. Okay, so let me see if I can switch around the camera here so you guys can see. So I took off the front cover here, as you can see, and then this revealed this, okay? And the problem was the fact that whenever I press this down, the whole thing goes down, you see? See, when I press it here, so if you can see that, it works fine. But when we're pressing it, normally this whole thing comes down. If you can see that, how it's wobbly like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a screw on this side in order to fix it so that it doesn't wobble down, okay? So this should probably work. We'll see, and I will come back. So as you can see, I'm going to drill a hole right here, okay? But right there, if you can see that, and then put the screw so it doesn't push down. So you see, I drilled a hole right there, and then I'm going to push this screw in here, and hopefully that will help it to stay. Now you can see it doesn't push down anymore, and it should work fine. So now let me put this all back together again, and let's see if it works. So this was the hard part right here, kind of trying to get everything back into. Okay. So the best way to do it was to actually flip it upside down and kind of jiggle it until it comes back in. And now pretty much everything is. Now I have to put in these small little clips in here in order to make it work. Got to put these things back. See these screws here? Got to make sure that these screws are on. You guys can see that. Okay, here. And now all you have to do is put this on here. And then there's one screw that I put this there that goes right here. These two screws actually connect to the main door over here. So you got to make sure that you put these two screws, you put the door on first, back on first, and then these screws. Once we screwed in all of these screws, then it's the back. And let's test it out. See if the button works now. Works very well. All the other buttons work too. All right, that's how you fix it.